I'm 33 years old.
I am one of 60 million population and also one of 8% Asian population as well. I am just like you, who eat, go out, watch movies, travel around, work 9 to 5 and pay my bills. And also I watch TV as well. When I watch TV, I think it is kind of a thing that I really go into details. I see that different programs, and the most interesting part is commercials. So when I watch commercials, what I see very different and amazing things which I want to share today, and that's the whole purpose of this video. When I see commercials that where I don't see the representation of 8%. I see the representation of 3.5 to 4%, because according to UK 2011 census, UK population was around 57 million, which is now today as we stand is over 60 million, where Asians account for 8% and black population is around 4%, where in US 2010 census white population was over 80% and black population was around 13%. When I see most of the commercials, I see that most of the time, when I say most, it means that let's say 7 out of 10, most of the time they show a black man with white woman, and both are the extreme. They try to cover all kind of ethnic minorities into that, which I understand that the reason behind it. I could be wrong. I think they just want to cover, they want to show that we're living in multicultural society. But the thing I don't understand that, we don't as Asians, don't we go to Marks and Spencer? Don't we buy clothes from John Lewis or Gap? Don't we have an account in Nationwide? Don't we have an account in NetWest? Don't we buy Domino's pizza? So that's questions come into my mind again. So why I'm saying that, because most of these ads I only see where black man is walking with a white blonde woman. I don't see other way around. I think so there are a number of Asians as well who's married to white women. What is happening? They are trying to fill the gap. How they're filling the gap? Two extremes. Again, I will say that it's not about the problem, it is about how media is playing it. If you want to cover the racism by black man and a white woman, I don't think so this is the way you're gonna cover the whole racism kind of a thing. It's not the way. You have to, if you really, it's a multicultural society, then you have to give the representation of all the community. Or if you go by US numbers as well, still Asian count for around 8%. So we are not far off of black population in US, where they are 13%. But in UK society, we are totally different. Our population number, ethnic minority, everything is totally different compared to US. But what is happening here? Whatever US does, UK go one step ahead. So that's what is happening. That most of the commercials it's like everyone is jumping on a bandwagon, and they are showing this, that, for example, in a bank ad as well, like black man is walking in with a white woman and they have mixed kids. So that's what the way we're gonna cover the racism. This is what we are covering, the racism. I rarely see that. If this is the racism, a white man with black women, maybe 1 or 2. Apart from that, there's no representation at all, only minimum of Asian population. If you really want to cover the racism, cover it you educate the people, not by showing this. You try to have balanced society, try to explain the tolerance, not by only showing the white woman and the black man. I will leave it open for you to watch. You go to any high street, you see that on the windows, then there's a black man and a white woman most of the time. You see movies as well. So that's what is happening. and it is happening, it is spread all over. And I'm not against it, I'm not in favor of it. I will leave it open for you to watch, think and decide. Thank you very much.